Today, we will talk about how to make an apartment feel like home. Let's have a look at the details. Moving into your own apartment is exciting, but it can sometimes take a little while to really feel settled in. Fortunately, there are plenty of things you can do to warm up your space, and many of them are inexpensive and easy to do. Whether you're just moving in or you've been in your apartment for years, even just a few simple touches can do wonders for helping your new place feel a little cozier. The first method is arranging your furniture. Work on unpacking one room at a time if you're just moving in. As you start to unpack boxes, work on one room at a time so you won't be scattered. Arrange each room neatly, making it feel lived in before you move on to the next one. Place your furniture so it defines different spaces. Think about how you want to use each space. Then arrange the furniture to maximize the functionality of that area. Leave at least 3 feet (0.91 meters) along walking paths. Not only will you be more comfortable with wider walkways, but creating narrow paths through your home can be a safety hazard. Make use of any vertical wall space that's available. You can use tall shelving, pegboards, and hooks on the walls to get things off the floor. That will help reduce clutter, making your apartment feel more permanent and homey. Opt for furniture that serves more than one purpose. That way, you'll have more open space, but you'll also be able to cut down on the clutter in your apartment. Hide clutter in drawers, boxes, and bowls. Take a look around your apartment and try to spot anywhere that clutter is congregating. Then think about creative ways you can organize those areas. The second method is creating a cozy atmosphere. Stock up the kitchen with your favorites. Once you get settled into your new apartment, make a trip to the grocery store and buy your favorite snacks and drinks, plus a few condiments, spices, and the ingredients for 3 to 4 meals. Once your cabinets and fridge have a few things in them, your place should feel a little more like home. Light scented candles make your apartment smell more like home. Don't underestimate the power of a comforting scent. Switch out the light fixtures to warm up the apartment. To add personality and style to your rooms, talk to your landlord about whether it's okay to temporarily switch out the light fixtures. Hang sheer curtains to let in natural light. To help your apartment feel bright and cheerful, opt for curtains that are mostly sheer on each of your windows. Add in comfort items throughout the apartment. Little touches can really add up when you're trying to make a place feel like home. Display sentimental items where you can see them, like a keepsake that was given to you as a gift, or a special photo of someone you love. Don't hide it away in a drawer. Bring life into your apartment by adding houseplants. There's something cheerful and homey about having live plants in your home. Fortunately, even if you don't have a green thumb, there are plenty of low-maintenance plants out there that will thrive indoors. Splurge on cozy bedding and make your bed every day. And the third method is showing your personality. Paint the walls a color you love if you're allowed. If it is, pick a color that will make you feel at home and use it to paint one of your rooms. Incorporate the same color scheme throughout common areas. Make your apartment feel more cohesive and personal by choosing 2 or 3 complementary colors that you really like together. Scour secondhand shops if you're decorating on a budget. If you're just getting started living on your own, you might not have many decorative items to make your apartment feel more like home. That's okay, you don't necessarily need a lot of money to get started. Check thrift shops, flea markets, and yard sales in your area for inexpensive art that fits your style and personality. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.